A world where the latest innovations fit comfortably in your hand without breaking the bank. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream is about to become a reality. Welcome to the future of smartphones, the iPhone Southeast 4. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about Apple's upcoming iPhone Southeast 4. From its sleek design and powerful performance to its advanced camera system and anticipated release date, we've got it all covered. So whether you're an Apple enthusiast or someone looking for a budget-friendly yet high-performing smartphone, stick around. This is one video you won't want to miss. Design and display. Let's start with the design. The iPhone Southeast 4 is rumored to adopt a design reminiscent of the iPhone 14. Gone are the thick bezels and the iconic home button. Instead, we're looking at a more modern, edge-to-edge display. This shift not only brings a contemporary look, but also means a larger screen real estate for users. Speaking of the display, the iPhone Southeast 4 is expected to feature a 6.1-inch OLED screen. This is a significant upgrade from the previous LCD displays found in earlier Southeast models. An OLED display promises richer colors, deeper blacks, and improved energy efficiency. It's the kind of screen that makes everything from streaming videos to browsing photos of visual delight, performance, and hardware. Under the hood, the iPhone Southeast 4 doesn't disappoint. It's anticipated to be powered by Apple's latest A18 Bionic chip, the same processor found in the flagship iPhone 16 series. This means users can expect lightning-fast performance, whether they're multitasking, gaming, or using resource-intensive apps. In terms of memory, reports suggest the device will come with 8 GB of RAM. This boost ensures smoother performance and better handling of multiple applications running simultaneously. Storage options are still under wraps, but it's safe to assume that Apple will offer configurations to suit both casual users and those needing more space. Camera capabilities. Now, let's talk about the camera, a feature many of us consider crucial. The iPhone Southeast 4 is rumored to sport a single 48-megapixel rear camera. This is a substantial upgrade from the 12-megapixel shooter on the previous Southeast model. With advanced image processing and improved sensor technology, users can look forward to capturing stunning photos with enhanced detail and clarity. On the front, a 12-megapixel true-depth camera is expected, bringing features like Face ID for secure authentication and high-quality selfies. Whether you're video calling or snapping a quick selfie, the front camera is set to deliver impressive performance. Battery life and connectivity. Battery life is always a concern, but it seems Apple has addressed this with the iPhone Southeast 4. The device is expected to house a 3,279 mAh battery, similar to that of the iPhone 14. Coupled with the energy efficiency of the A18 chip and the OLED display, users can anticipate all-day battery life under typical usage. Connectivity-wise, the iPhone Southeast 4 is poised to be a trailblazer. It's rumored to be the first iPhone featuring Apple's custom-designed 5G modem. This move reduces reliance on third-party suppliers and could lead to improved network performance and efficiency. Additional features. In line with modern design trends and regulatory requirements, the iPhone Southeast 4 is expected to feature a USB-C port, moving away from the traditional Lightning connector. This change not only aligns with global standards, but also offers faster charging and data transfer capabilities. Another notable inclusion is the Action button, replacing the traditional mute switch. This customizable button allows users to quickly access specific functions, enhancing the overall user experience. Release date and pricing. So when can you get your hands on this device? Reports suggest that Apple may announce the iPhone Southeast 4 as early as next week, with availability starting later this month. As for pricing, it's expected to be around $499, making it an attractive option for those seeking premium features without the premium price tag. Conclusion. The iPhone Southeast 4 represents a significant leap forward for Apple's Southeast lineup. With its modern design, powerful hardware, advanced camera system, and competitive pricing, it bridges the gap between affordability and premium features. If you're in the market for a new smartphone that offers exceptional value, the iPhone Southeast 4 should undoubtedly be on your radar. Stay tuned for official announcements from Apple, and as always, we'll keep you updated with the latest information. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay tech savvy.